Welcome to ICT IGCSE Explanatory Solution. I said that this is more than a tutorial. This is giving you a classroom one-on-one experience. Okay, now this question is going to be solved in a different dynamic way, giving attention to all the details that CIE will not be able to see any mistake in whatever you are doing. Okay, so we are solving the October-November 2017 paper 2, that is the document production, data manipulation, and presentations. Okay, so my name is Ajala from Lagos, Nigeria, and I'll be taking you through this in a systematic, line by line, explanatory, cool, calm, calculated and collected way. So you are in the right place. So okay, so let's begin from the beginning, the very beginning. Open the file N17, that's November 2017, evidence.rtf. That's always the place to begin from most of the time. Okay, so let's open that file. October, November 2017, evidence. Okay, so the file is opened. Make sure your details will appear on every page of your evidence document. Okay, so that can be achieved through the header ng 077 0777 through the header or footer, so my details will appear on all the pages. Save this as a word process document in your work area with a file name. Okay, so instead of using .rtf, which is generic for any word processing document, so save it with the file type of the word processing document you are using. In this case, word document.docx. Okay, other details, add your candidate number. After this can be used to check if any student cheated. Okay, so ensure you do the right thing. Okay, so that is done. Okay, I will need that later. Now task 2. You are going to edit a newsletter for Tawara Cruises. The company uses a corporate art style for all their document. Paragraphs that should be created and applied as instructed. Corporate art style, these are formatting for a particular company and they are usually consistent. They ensure consistent formatting in all the documents of a company, from their logo to their title to their paragraphs, so they have consistent settings. So anywhere you see their document, you know that, oh, this is from Hazit, this is from company A, this is from company B, from their corporate house style. It is similar to cascading style sheet in website authoring. Okay, because they may just ask you, what do you understand by corporate house style? Okay, using a suitable software package, open the file news.rtf something news.rtf. Where are you? Okay, here am I. Oh, sorry, I don't want to use this. I want to use Office 27M16 browse news. Okay, I have that. Do not change the paper's orientation, margin settings. Save the document in your work area with the file name, produce. Okay, save as course news. Now make sure to save in the format of the software you are using. The format of the software you are using, .docx. Okay, make sure, okay, Placing evidence document screenshot to show this has been saved. Make sure there is evidence of the file type. Now, students will go this way from our experience, and then they will show the evidence of this. They may do like this and show this evidence and show this evidence. So this is very wrong. So that's not the evidence to show. That's the evidence showing that the file is being saved. But the question says show evidence that it has been saved, and make sure there is evidence of the file type. So you go to your work area, which is your folder, and then you show this evidence from here. So these are the saved documents. So let's do date modifier, so it comes up first, and then I show the, so this is the file type showing this. This is the extension.docs showing. If yours are not showing, you can enable them here. Extension, file type, and details. Okay, print screen, name, file type, size. Okay, that's the right evidence. Don't forget, we are not going to leave any stone unturned. We're going to solve all the problems following all the details. So it will be very impossible to miss a single question or a single point. Place in the header of the file the automated file name with path right aligned. Okay, so in the header, so it's better to do inserts, header and footer. Header, do 3 blank columns so you can easily modify the aligned placeholders given to you already. Automated file name with path right aligned. Okay, so this is my right. Automated file name, quick path, field, file name with path, hard path to file name right aligned. Okay, toggle this, toggle field code. So I have this. Okay, I'm gonna come back there. Okay, that's all for, so delete the other placeholder that you're not using. Now pick this, select this, and reduce the size so that it will be on a single line. Reduce the size. Let's try 6. Okay, 6 is much. Okay. Okay, so that's it. It will be on a single line, and then it will be right aligned, and it shows that it's right aligned. Place in the footer automated page numbers left aligned. Insert footer 3 blank 3 columns. Automated page number left aligned. This is my left. Quick path, page number left aligned. Your name, center number, account number right aligned. Your name, center number NG 077 0777 right aligned. Okay, nothing in the middle. So let's toggle this back. Okay, now pay attention here. Make sure that all the alignment match the page margins. No other text or placeholders are included in the header and footer. So I've just done that now. Area headers and footers are displayed on all pages. They will display there. Now all the alignment match the page margins. So let's see, how do you ensure that? So let's go to our page and then go to layout, and go to margins, custom margins. Top is 2.5 centimeter, bottom is 2.5 centimeter. So let's come to our header and footer. So this is top is what? Okay, did you say 2.5 centimeter? If you said so, then you are correct. Change this to 2.5 centimeter. Okay, so you can see top margin. So all the margins are matching now. Very important. Ctrl S to save our work. Okay, so we can proceed now. Now we want to create the following paragraph styles. Okay, let's start. The more arrow, create a style. The first one is TC title, TC dash title, modify, serif. Serif is Times New Roman. Please don't type serif there. If you type serif there, computer will give you one font called serif, which is not serif indeed. So 36 point, 36, center bold, single 012, paragraph here, single 012, serif 36, bold, center, single 012. That is done. Back to normal. Now let's see the question so that we don't keep. We're showing evidence of TC subhead, so when we get there, we just do it. Next, create a style. TC subtitle. Modify. Serif 18 point, Times New Roman. 18 point, right italic, single 00. Okay, that's what it is by default. Okay, this is done. Back to normal. Next, create a style. TC subhead. So we need to show evidence of this. TC subhead. Modify. Serif Times New Roman. '20. Left. This is left already. Italic, underlined, single 06. Come here. Paragraph. Single 06 after each subhead. So we'll take the screenshot of these two windows. Print screen. Screenshot. Okay. Okay. So screenshot here. Done. Again. Create a style. TC body. Oh, sans serif is area by okay. Then justified. This is justified. Non 012. Oh, non single 012. This is 10. Then justified single 012. Okay. Okay. TC table, sans serif area, then left non single 00, okay, sans serif, then left. Okay, we're done with TC table. Okay, everything is done. Now more attention. So everything is done. Let's clear all the formatting done on this document. So do Control A. So as you apply your styles, it will just appear without any problem. Control A to select all, then come here under font, clear all formatting. So all formattings are cleared and we can start using our own without any problem. Evidence 2 is done. Apply the TC title to the Tawara Cruise News. TC title, where are you? Okay. Below the title, type produced by. Add your name. Select this. Apply the TC subtitle. Okay. Apply the TC body style to the rest of the document. Come here. Select the rest of the document. Ctrl Shift End. TC body. As the TC body. Change the period so that the subheading winter holidays. So this is winter holidays. From here downward, Ctrl Shift End from winter holidays. The page layout should be changed. Columns to 2 columns, but don't pick 2 from there. Here you have so many options. Are displayed in 2 columns of equal width with a 1 centimeter space between 2 columns. Equal width. Let's say you don't have equal width, just come here. You set for the width for column 1 and the width for column 2. Okay, but now we have equal width. Just check this. And the 1 centimeter spacing between them, 1 centimeter. Okay, great. Identify the 8 subheadings in the document and apply the TC subhead style to each one. 8 subheadings in the document. You have to apply it to the 8 of them. Okay, so this is subheading number 1. Subhead number 1. Apply this. Okay, let's check the subhead and ensure that everything is alright. The subhead serif 20 left italic underline single 06. Okay, that's number 1. We can do format painter since, so that will copy the formats, but ensure that you are accurate. If not, do it one by one. It'll be very fast. Okay, that's cross check again and ensure that everything is well formatted and nothing is left out. Don't forget, we are working flawlessly as much as possible without a single mistake. Okay, this is another one. Okay, let's reduce this so that we can count at a glance. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, escape. So 8 subheadings formatted rightly. Okay, let's proceed. Open the file, itinerary, and insert the content attribute with the column width after the. Okay, so this file. Itinerary. Okay, all files. itinerary where you appear. Okay. Okay. Not everything, sure. Okay, before we copy it, so we're going to insert it into our document. But before we do that, I would like to solve all the necessary problems here. Sort the data in the table into ascending order of day. Okay, so select this, custom sort, day, ascending order, smallest to largest is ascending. Okay. No text is wrapped within the table. All internal and external green lines are displayed when printed. Okay, we can also do that from here. All borders are showing. There's a 12-point space. Okay, that one will be done in Word. Okay, I think we are done with all the specifications. Okay, Control C. So we are pasting it. Control F. So you can see island for the Eastern Caribbean. Okay, island for the East. Something. Island of the. Okay, so we're bringing it to this paragraph. Enter. Control V. It's pasted. No text is wrapped within the table. Okay, but these are wrapped. Okay, so that is correct. Okay, that is correct, and it fits within the column. We apply the TC table style to the table. TC table style, where are you? Okay, it's applied. There's a 12-point space after the table. It's more than 12 points, so bring it up, delete, then do Shift, Enter. Okay, that's a 12-point space after the table. Okay, insert a new row. Select that is set above. I'm merging this, merge cells, and enter Eastern Caribbean, or Caribbean, whatever. IT. Don't make mistake while typing. Okay. Format the first row of the table to be bold and italic. Bold, italic, or italicized. Center outline over the 4 columns. Center. Shaded with a light gray background. Okay. Border and shading. Shading. Light gray background between 20 to 40%. Okay. Okay. Turtle. Sure. Sure excursion. Okay. So we're coming here to import turtle. crop the image to remove only the dolphins from the top. Crop this guy. Remove this. Okay, it's cropped, sir. That's resize the image so that it is 3 cm wide. The image 3 cm. Is it 3 cm? 3.5 cm. 3.5 cm. The image is not distorted. Align the image to the top of the paragraph starting this tropical paradise. Right of the column, make sure the text wrap around the image and the image fit within the column. It may look like this. Okay. The text wrap the square. Then move the image to the right side. Okay, so it's aligned to look like this. Okay, keep an eye out. Oh, I just saw it here. So indent this paragraph 1 cm from both the left and right and margins. Okay, select the paragraph, right click, paragraph indentation 1 cm from the left, 1 cm from the right. Okay, so that is done. Okay, then we'll move to the database, but because of time, so other problems will be solved in database, but I would like to finish the document production and code first. So we have 26 packs, but nothing like printout. That means you're going to need some materials from other areas before you can finish that. So let's go and check that, and then I will use what I've done before. Then I will show it when we get to the right place. Okay, document 2. Import extra you see in step 24, and this is the extract. I'm going to show how we got that when we get there. So the extract is what I call second query. I'm going to show you how we got that when we get there, but now we can use it so that we'll finish up with the Word document second query. Okay, so this is the extract. Import the extra you see in step 22 your document as a table after the paragraph which details are as follows. So let's copy this. I'll show you once again how this was gotten when we get there. After the paragraph ending with what details are as follows. Details are as okay, so we're importing the table here. Okay, that's the table. Make sure the table filled within the column with the extra does not contain a title. All required fields and their labels are fully visible. No text extra. The TC table style is applied to the extra. There is a 12 points. So that's the first thing to do. The TC table. Okay, that has helped to reduce the size. So this guy is extending to this place. I don't know what he's doing there. Come over here. He's not going to agree with me, but he must agree with me. I'm the teacher here. Okay, let's move this. It's jumping. I don't know where they're jumping to. Okay, so it's looking perfect. The table filled within a column with the extra does not contain a title. Okay, all required fields and their labels are fully visible. No text is trapped within. There's a 12-point space after the table. Okay, 12-point space. This is more than 12 points. Bring this guy up. Do Shift Enter. Okay. Spell check and proofread the document. Make sure all those instructions. Okay, so let's go to the beginning. Control Home and do spell check and ensure that no mistake. Ignore all. Ignore all. Okay, we're good to go. Okay, so let's see widow, orphan, blah blah blah. So start from the beginning, and then we'll start from page 1, and then we'll check any widow, orphan. This, okay, this is all right. More than 3 lines there. Okay, we are here now. All right, the table is not spilling over to the other side. The spacing are consistent. All right, here everything is looking perfect. All right. Oh, great. No widow, no orphan, no bastard. Everything is all right. See the document using the file name and format. Okay, Control S is saved, and then print the document. Okay, so let's simulate the printing using the Hato PDF printer, so it shows you how it will look like on the paper. Okay, you must know how to print. Oh no, I'm printing. I'm not saving again. Print. So you print with your printer's name. I want to print with Adobe PDF, so you see the way it will look like on paper. Print. I'm saying something. I need to change this to toggle it back to the field. Okay, let me sit down here. Toggle it back to show the, okay, print. Adobe printer. Okay, this is the one we're doing, October, November. Print out. And what printout is that? Printout 2. Okay, print out 2. Save. So it's simulating the printing. So you see the way it will look like exactly on paper. Because if you have done your work and maybe you printed, some areas are cutting off, some are not showing, now, and you have done a very beautiful work on the system. Don't forget, IGCSE CIE will not come and mark your work on your system. They'll mark your printed copies. So ensure you print out your work very well. So you can see this is showing very well the name and the file path. You can see everything is showing. Nothing is, no widow, no orphan, consistent line spacing. The margins, the top and bottom margin for the body, the document is the same thing as what we use for the header and footer, and it's looking beautiful. Okay, just 2 pages. Okay, thank you for staying with us. I believe you have enjoyed yourself and you understand everything. I wish you the very best in your examination or in your studies, whatever you're using this for. I want to say, please share, like, and subscribe. Recommend this channel to somebody and help somebody out there. Thank you very much. I want to say God bless you. Goodbye. O double.